This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It features an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, CD player which is capable of reading MP3s, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a folding second row, and this vehicle has fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.